We are given 3 to the power of x equals x to the power of 9. This is a USA math question. Find the value of x. Look carefully. We can find the value of x with two methods. Let's find the value of x with first method. Okay, first I will let something for x and let x equal 3 to the power of k. Now insert 3 to the power of k in the place of x. Now the equation become like this. Do you remember a power rule? If open bracket a to the power of m, close bracket, to the power of n equals a to the power of mn. Apply this formula here. Now the equation become like this. According to power rule, same base the powers are equal. Now divide k on both sides. Now we can write 3 to the power of k divided by k equals 9 because this k and this k part out. Now we can give 27 divided by 3 in the place of 9 because 9 equals 27 divided by 3. Now we can write this 27 to the form of 3 to the power of 3. Because of that, 3 to the power of 3 is equal to 27. Now look very carefully and compare all numbers with all digits. Then k equals 3 I got. As you can see, place the LHS above the RHS, then you will also find k equals 3. Do you remember that we let x equal 3 to the power of k? Recall that give the value of k here and 3 to the power of 3 give us 27. So, the value of x is 27. Now let's solve with another method before I give the proofs. Remember here is 1. Now we can change the powers but the powers will flip. So the equation become like this. Remember here have also 1. So we can place 3 divided by 3 here because 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Now we can write the equation like this. Here we can write 3 to the power of 3 to the forms of 27. Now by comparing x equals 27 also. Okay, let's verify that our answer is correct or not. Just keep 27 in the place of x. Here 27 equals 3 to the power of 3 and 3 times 9 equals 27. Look carefully, LHS equals RHS. So x equals 27 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching.